What we'd like to show you today is an example of using the FDM technology to make patterns for sheet metal forming. This is an example of an actual event that recently occurred, and what had happened, there was an emergency landing of a Harrier aircraft, and in that process they had damaged the airframe for the plane. So before they could take off from the aircraft carrier again, repairs had to be made, and the Stratasys technology was used to make those repairs. When the aircraft had the emergency landing, it did damage to the airframe. So what they needed to do was to get the data set describing that airframe. Once they had that, the Fleet Readiness Center of the Navy was able to produce the tooling that they could use with a hydroform press to take the metal parts and create the replacement pieces they needed to perform this repair. They also were able to create a simple drill guide, which allowed them to use this tool to make sure that they were drilling the rivets out at the appropriate locations. It also allowed them to make the replacement pieces, and also a positioning tool to send all this out to the aircraft carrier, do the repairs on board ship, and get it flying again. When asked how the FDM technology had benefited this particular mission, they had said that if they did not have our technology, they would have had to have 3 shifts running around the clock trying to prepare these patterns and produce the repair parts. So they significantly saved time, and it took them 1 week to get all this accomplished and out to the ship.